different part, but I have no idea. So currently I'm getting water for my little makeup wipe. Hydration wipe. I mean foaming cleanser. No. Sorry, I'm a mess right now. The foaming, it's a Rise Off foaming cleanser, and it's from a random place. I don't know what the name of it is. I can't read it. But yeah, it says all about clean. Hopefully this is supposed to be like a face, not a face mask because it doesn't peel or come off other than water and a rag. Hopefully it's meant to do this. Oh no. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a part 4. I have put too much on. Drown myself in water. Come back for part 4. Oops. Part 4.